This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're at the New Orleans Investment Conference 2018, and with me right now is John Mark Staude from Riverside Resources. It's a publicly traded company, two symbols for you, RRI on the TSX Venture and RVSDF in the US. John Mark, welcome back to SNNLive.
Good to be with the show, Robert.
Great to have you. So for our audience, let's start off with an overview of the company. We'll go from there.
Riverside is a prospect generator, mineral exploration company focused on Mexico. We've been going for 12 years. We have a tight share structure with 45 million shares out. We also have a focus on high-grade, open pit, key assets in northern parts of Sonora, Mexico.
Now, we haven't had you on for a little bit, so let's get an update from the company. You know, what's been going on, let's say, in the last 6 to 12 months?
I think three things that have been going on. First is our high-grade Cecilia Gold project. As Riverside was able to generate this project, we've been able to now forward that, and we'll have more news flow on that. The second thing we've been doing is working with partners, for example, with Sinaloa Resources, working in Sinaloa, Mexico, at our La Silla project. We like that project. It's a former project operated and explored by Meridian, something that Yamana developed. We really like that. The third thing is we own deposits and projects that are around other people building mines, our Tajitos and our Peñoles. If you can own resource assets that are right inside and next to where other people are building mines, you're in a good situation. So Riverside has the assets, 100% for Riverside. So we're in a good situation.
So what would you say is the company's competitive advantage when looking at the competition, you know, against other project generators?
I think when you ever look at a project generator is how long and how focused have they been? Riverside, myself, I started working in Mexico almost 30 years ago. We speak fluent Spanish, we have an all-local team, and we operate. We've shown that operation by doing the operational work for Kinross, Cliffs, Antofagasta, Hochschild Mining, ongoingly. We have been able to continually generate, develop, and farm out projects for 12 years. We've been able to do that with a strong management team. I think the second is we know how to do it cost effectively. We've not had to go into debt, we've been able to keep the share structure tight, and we've been able to use other people's capital wisely. I think those are the management and key things that Riverside brings to the table.
So for you, you know, why Mexico? Is that really your main area of focus when you're looking at new potential projects? Yeah,
you know, Mexico has always been a world leader. For 500 years, Mexico has been the world's lead producer of silver. 500 years. That's amazing. And we're there. Riverside has been able to focus in Mexico because myself, I started to work there as a translator in 1987. So we've been there since the mining laws changed, since the environmental rules changed, we've been there. The third is that we have an incredible database, a 75,000 location database that we've put together. So having the data, having the technology, having been there, and then having done the work for major companies, not only ourselves with Riverside, but prior when I worked at Kennecott, BHP, Magma Copper, those same individuals are part of the team that makes up Riverside today. We've been successful in the past, we're successful today.
And from what you can tell me, what are some of the company's value catalysts moving into 2019?
Two key catalysts. One of them is the Cecilia project. At Cecilia, we really like the fact that it's high-grade, open pit, the key type of project that you could have, and is near other operating mines. The operating mines going forward with Premier Gold Mines and with going forward with First Majestic Mine. Those type of assets are the type of assets we like to have, our Cecilia project. The second project, our Peñoles project. It's in the main district, same district that makes up the main company, Fresnillo Peñoles. That's a major mining company in Mexico. And we own the key central part of that district. For us, we really like the grades, we really like the potential there. So Riverside's very excited by both of those projects for going ahead.
And where can our audience go and find more information about Riverside Resources?
Well, please come to our website. That's RRI.V.com.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're at the New Orleans Investment Conference 2018. And with me again has been John Mark Staude from Riverside Resources, publicly traded company, two symbols for you, RRI on the TSX Venture and RVSDF in the US. John Mark, always a pleasure.
Thanks a lot. Fun to be with you.